In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign on Mailerlite in 2025. Whether you're just getting started with email marketing or looking to streamline your current processes, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get your campaign up and running. So let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Mailerlite website. Once you arrive on the homepage, look for the login button in the top right corner of the page and give that a click. If you have your Google account linked, simply use the sign in with Google option to access your Mailerlite account effortlessly. After a successful login, navigate to the dashboard where you'll begin your campaign setup. Now over on the left hand side of the screen you'll find a menu. Locate and click on the Campaigns tab. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Campaigns section, look for the button that says Create Campaign and click on it. It's here that you'll start building your new email campaign from scratch. When prompted, choose the regular campaign option, which is perfect for many different types of email communications. Now, it's time to give your campaign a name. It's a good idea to choose something descriptive so that you can easily identify it later, especially when handling multiple campaigns. Next, you'll need to type in a compelling subject line for your email. Remember, this is your opportunity to grab your subscribers' attention, so make it catchy and relevant to your message. With your campaign created and titled, let's move on to selecting your recipients. Click on the Recipients tab and then you'll see an option to select all active subscribers. After that, make sure to hit Select to confirm your choice. This will ensure your email reaches everyone in your active subscriber list. Once your recipients are set, proceed to the next step by clicking Next Content. You'll be taken to a section where you can explore the template gallery. Browse through the various templates and select one that complements your brand's aesthetic and message. Once you've made your choice, click on Choose to use that template for your campaign. Before you send your email, you'll have the opportunity to edit the template to tailor it specifically to your needs. Make adjustments in terms of style, text and images until you're satisfied. When you've completed your edits, click Done Editing to finalize your content. Lastly, when everything looks great, move ahead to send your campaign. Simply click on Send and your email will be on its way to your subscribers. And there you have it, you've successfully created and sent a campaign using Mailerlite. Remember, effective communication with your audience is key, so keep practicing and refining your campaigns for the best results. Thank you for watching and good luck with your email marketing endeavors.